Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Hidayanti. The number is 18 from class Lexichography A. Today, in this video, I will answer 3 questions from Lexicography mid-exam. So let's get started. Okay, question number 1. How does terminological triangle process based on terminological triangle diagram? And my answer is, to understand what a term entry is, you need to understand the meaning triangle shown in this slide. This triangle relates the concept, the object, the definition, and the designation. The concept is a unit of thought, a mental construct relating an object, real or imagined, with its definition and its designation. This example shows one concept whose meaning is given by the definition. This example definition assumes that the concept of cell phone or phone is understood. The concept handy is more specific than phone or a subclass of it, and is defined a specialization of phone. A term is a linguistic designation, a concept, word, or phrase. A concept can have other types of designation, symbol, or icon. From now on, I will just say term instead of designation, since I will always be talking about verbal designation in this course. There can be multiple terms for the same concept. Different terms are used in different contexts, language, country, industry, and etc. This example shows the use of the terms handy in Germany, cellular phone in the US, and the mobile in England. The example also shows that 3 can be variants of a term. In the US, both cellular phone and cell phone are used to designate the same concept. Abbreviation and synonyms are examples of types of variants. As a first approximation, we can say that the terms entry in SEP terms correspondent to one concept and contains the terms for it, and sometimes the definition. Question number 2. How does immigration of English language? And my answer is, the history of the English language really started with the arrival of 3 Germanic tribes who invaded Britain during the 5th century AD. These tribes, the Angles, the Saxons, and the Jutes, crossed the North Sea from what today is Denmark and northern Germany. At that time, the inhabitants of Britain spoke a Celtic language, but most of the Celtic speakers were pushed west and north by the invaders, mainly into what is now Wales, Scotland, and Ireland. The Angles came from England, and their language was called English, from which the words England and English are derived. Their language, now known as Old English, was soon adopted as the common language of this relatively remote corner of Europe. Although you and I will find it's hard to understand Old English, it provided a solid foundation for the language we speak today and give us many essential words like be, strong, and water. Question number 3. How does historical development of English dictionary? And my answer is, Old English period consists of religious books with translation from Latin. The 15th century regular bilingual English-Latin dictionaries. 64. A table alphabetical contain and teaching the true writing and understanding of hard usual English words borrowed from the Hebrew, Greek, Latin, and French. Robert Cowdery. 1721. Universal Etymological Dictionary. First, etymological dictionary explains etymology of words and includes pronunciation. Nathaniel Bailey. 1775 Explanatory Dictionary by Dr. Samuel Johnson. Their words were illustrated by example from English literature, and pronunciation was not included and helped to preserve the English spelling in this conversation form. 1780 First Pronunciation Dictionary, Thomas Sheridan, and 1791 the Critical Pronunciation Dictionary and Expositor of the English Language, John Walker. And 1798 a School Dictionary, Samuel Johnson Jr., and 1828 American Dictionary of the English Language, Noah Webster. Attempts to simplify the spelling and pronunciation, provides definition, etymology, explanation about things named. 1858 until 1928, New English Dictionary or NED, 12 volumes, includes all words existing in the language. 1895, Funk and Wagner's New Standard Dictionary. 1911, the consists of Oxford Dictionary of Current English, contain only word of current usage. 1933, Oxford English Dictionary or OED, 13 volumes, include spelling, pronunciation, detailed etymologies, quotation. A shorter Oxford Dictionary, volume smaller number of quotation. 1967, Random House Dictionary of the English Language, number of dictionary entries, selection of head words, arrangement and contents of the vocabulary entry. 1969, the American Heritage Dictionary of the English Language, the first dictionary to use corpus linguistic. Since the 16th century, the title dictionary has been used for an increasingly wide range of reference works, from alphabetic but also thematic, general but also specialized, monolingual but also bilingual and multilingual, or polyglot, and from historical to pedagogical dictionary. At the same time, there has been a tendency for other terms to be used as designation for more specialist dictionary genre. Example, thesaurus, encyclopedia, and terminology. I think that's enough to answer all of today's lexicography midterm exam question. Please, if there are words or my pronunciation that is not right, I apologize. Maybe next time I will be better. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.